Now let's try to measure resistance. Switch the dial over to ohms. For resistors, I much prefer using the alligator clips because it's easy to clip onto each leg. The direction doesn't matter, so you can put the positive and negative ends on either side. This one should be a 220 ohm. So we're getting 0.223. That's because I have it on the 2K ohm dial. So that's exactly 223 ohms. That's within the reasonable range for this resistor. This next one should only be about 150, so I can actually notch the dial down one because that will be underneath the 200 ohm limit. And it's getting a value of about 143. That's very close to the 150. Here we have a 1K ohm resistor. Let's say that you're trying to measure the resistance, but you have the dial at too low of a value. In that case, the dial will just keep reading the number 1. So switch to the next highest up, and now we're getting the correct value, which is 984 ohms, which is pretty close to the 1000.